Just 5 weeks to Christmas. Philip Griffith here, and today I want to talk about a truly memorable gift idea: digitizing your family's obsolete media, like slides, videocassettes, 8mm film, and printed photos from before the digital age. Let's face it, technology changes fast, and many of us don't have the tools to view these older formats anymore. Do you still have a working VCR or a projector for slides or 8mm film? Maybe, but for how long? These outdated formats often hold some of our most cherished memories, yet they're also some of the most fragile, especially videotapes. Converting them to digital format not only preserves these memories, but also makes them easy to share and enjoy across devices. Imagine the joy of gifting your family with a digital collection of these memories that spans generations. Here at PSG Photo Solutions, we can digitize almost any media format, from loose prints and slides to entire photo albums that can't be taken apart without damage. Giving the gift of restored memories this holiday season is truly priceless, letting your family relive those moments in a new way, while ensuring they're preserved for years to come. What media do you have that you'd love to view again, but you don't have a way to? Or who in your family would love to revisit these moments? Share in the comments below. Remember, we're here to help you use your photos to tell your story so they'll last for generations.